Hello friends, welcome back to Friend of Health. So today we have a very important update regarding the counseling schedule for postgraduate homeopathy admission 2020-21. So this is updated by Dr. Mansoor Ali sir in his homeobook.com where everything on homeopathy is updated as early as possible. So this is a recent update, November 20, today's date you can see. So Central Council of Homeopathy CCH has given the schedule, counseling schedule for the admissions of PG MD courses of homeopathy. So the first round counseling date and details, and in between the state counseling, then the second all India counseling, then the second round of state counseling, then the third round or mop-up round, then the state counseling. So everything in detail is given in a PDF file. So here if you click in the more details, this page will be open, the PDF will be open. So for easy reading purpose and highlighting purpose, I will open it in a Adobe PDF viewer. So this here you can download this. Why I am doing this step-by-step explanation of this PDF file? It is very self-explanatory. I will give the downloading link in the description of this video. But many doctors are there who have not participated in the last year's PG counseling, or they don't have any experience, and even if they see this schedule for admission of all India and state counseling etc., they may not understand. So that's why I'm explaining it. So before commenting anything, any of your doubts, please watch the video fully. Then also if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, because almost everything I'll try to explain in detail. So this is the file, Central Council of Homeopathies. So it is dated 20th November. Today's date you can see here, 20th November 2020, and this is by the Central Council of Homeopathy, and this is sent to all the principals of national institutes and the state, all state government institutes, directors, everyone. So there will be a proper counseling going on hereafter by this schedule. So this is a counseling schedule for all admission to homeopathy postgraduate courses for the academic year 2020-21. So all students who have tension regarding the counseling process, everything we will try to explain, and in coming days they will update in the AACCC website also regarding the scheme in a proper flowchart in a very easily understandable manner. So nothing is there to worry. So just listen to this video fully. So this letter I will just read out. It is signed by the secretary of CCH. So I am directed, Madam or Sir, I am directed to forward a copy of the counseling schedule prepared by Ministry of Ayush for all admission in homeopathy postgraduate courses for the academic year 2020-21. You are requested to take all necessary action at your level for timely conduction of counseling for state government or union territory quota seats, as well as for all India quota seats of homeopathic private institutions permitted by Ministry of Ayush for admission during the year 2020-21 in order to complete the process as per annexed counseling schedule. So this is the letter. So we'll see time schedule for counseling allotment process. AAPGT All India Quota Government, government aided national institutes, and deemed or central universities postgraduate Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Homeopathy seats 2020-21. So this is the counseling schedule of the allotment process. So first we will see the first column is serial number and schedule of admission, schedule for admission, and the central counseling or all India counseling which is going to happen in the all India level, where a candidate from any state can apply for any of the institutes in the country for the all India quota seats. So the one is about the central counseling. The first is about the all India level counseling, central counseling, where all India quota aided or government or deemed or any central university or national institute. And the second is about the state counseling. So first we will see about the central counseling. So first we know that the exam was conducted on 28th September, and result was published on 4th November, and first round of counseling. Now this is very important. So now we are on 20th November. So after around like 10 plus 8, 18 days. So we have 8th December, very important date. So 8th December to 18th December 2020. the first round of counseling, All India counseling will happen. First round. So first round of Central or All India counseling is from 8th December 2020 to 18th December 2020. So a candidate can participate by paying the fees, everything in the Ayush counseling, All India Ayush counseling website, AACCC.com. I will give you the website address in the description of this video below. Hereafter you can keep checking in the website every day, or in homeobook.com, or even in this Friend of Health YouTube channel. You can keep checking for any updates regarding the All India counseling. So this is the date, and what will happen is after the first round of All India counseling, there will be a date given. So 18th December, after 18th December you will get a result whether you got the seat or not. So after that, if you got the seat in any of the institution, if you are willing to join, 28th December will be the last date of joining. For those who people got admission in the Central counseling, the All India counseling. If you have not got seat, don't worry, there is one second round, there is one state round, etc. So this is the date for 28th December is the date for those who got seat. And if you are not willing to join in that institution where you got in the first Central counseling or All India counseling, you can exit from that. This flowchart will come properly in the counseling scheme update of AACCC website. So I'll explain that when it comes, that counseling schema will come. So this is about the first round of All India counseling or Central counseling. So the second important thing in the first round of counseling is state counseling or the Union Territory Quota counseling. So here the dates are 19th December 2020 to 26th December. So there you will get a last date of joining as 2nd January 2021. So that will be conducted by each state or union territory separately. So that also will be updated in each state government websites, so the PG admission websites. So that also the important links we will be giving whenever the update comes, and also in homeobook.com it will be updated. So 19th December 2020 to 26th December, the first round of state counseling. So the second round of counseling is going to happen on 31st December 2020 to 8th January 2021. So there the last date of joining, if you have got the seat in the second round, the last date of joining will be 19th of January 2021. And in the state counseling, the second round of state counseling will be 11th January 2021 to 18th January 2021. So what is the difference between state counseling and central counseling? There may be people who are having doubt. So central counseling will be for a very few number of seats which is submitted for the Central or All India counseling. There will be 15% of seats from a state government institution which will be submitted for the Central or All India counseling, and the other all remaining 85% of seats will be admission will be done for those 85% of seat will be through state counseling. So each state will keep, wherever there is a government institution and wherever there is a private MD postgraduate institution, they will be conducting a state counseling. So that will be different. The procedure, the fee and the website will be different. So this is about state counseling and central counseling. So second round, if you got the seat, you can join. The last date of joining will be 25th January 2021. The third round or mop-up round of All India, the very important round, is going to happen in the 22nd January 2021 to 28th January 2021. There is enough planning and proper planning so that after the state counseling, if you want to participate again in the third round of All India counseling, you can do it like that. So once the schema, the flowchart comes, everything will be clear once again. So this is the important date. So, and the last date of joining of third round, if you are getting 8th of February 2021, and the third round of state counseling will be 11th February to 16th February 2021, and the last date of joining will be 22nd February 2021. So after the third mop-up round, third round of All India quota, there will be many students who are not interested to join for some subject or some place where they get in the third round. So that seats will be non-reported or non-joining vacant seats. So for those seats, they will be that All India quota government or government aided colleges seats will be submitted to the state quota. So that is the very important 9th serial number what they are telling. So transfer of non-reporting and non-joining vacant seats of All India quota government, All India quota government aided to state quota, and forwarding the list of students in order of merit to the concerned universities in case of Delhi University, Central University or National Institute by the counselling authority. So that will be happening in the 9th number. So that date will be 10th February 2021. So for those people, the last date of admission through the state counselling will be 28th of February 2021. So these counselling, these people like the non-reporting or non-joining vacant seat will come in the government or government aided All India quota seats. Those which will be forwarded to the state quota will be done conducted by the concerned state or union territory counselling authority or central or deemed university or national institute. So these are very important guidelines for the state or union territory governments for counselling of All India quota private seats. Next is regarding the admission of BAMS, BSMS, BUMS, BHMS, etc. So we will skip that portion and we will come to this time schedule. Time schedule for online counselling or allotment process for AIAPGT, All India quota government, government aided, national institutes, deemed or central universities, postgraduate, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy seats 2020-21. So this is the allotment process counselling at a glance, and every detail you will get from this chart actually. So first registration or payment and choice filling of the first round will happen. This is the first round. So you can see here it is little dark. So this is a like photograph of a printed out paper. So that's why the clarity is less. The first round you can see here on the screen, first round. These things are already explained actually. So first round again, once again we will see registration and payment and choice filling will happen from 8th December to 14th December of 2020. Then till 5 p.m. So all these server timing, everything. So that's what you have to be very careful, and you don't keep your choice filling or payment to the last date. So according to their server time, everything will close. So don't keep it for the 14th of December. So do it by 8th or 9th or 10th. So once you have registered or payment you can do till 15th December 2020 till 12 p.m. noon as per the server time. And 7 days will be there for that first round, 8th to 14th. And 15th December 2020 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. you can do the choice filling and locking. Then the result of the first round will come by 18th of December. 18th of December. So 14th will be the last date, or 15th will be the last date for locking, and 18th result will come, and reporting time is 19th December to 28th December. So once you get the seat, again you can refer here 19th to 28th December. And the second round, this is the second round. So you can see here second round. Second round will happen from 31st December to 4th January. And this is 5 days only. So then again 1 day will be given for the locking of the choice in the second round. Then the result will come by the third day, 8th January, and 11 days will be given for joining 9th January to 19th January, the second round. This is only regarding the All India allotment process, and in between the state governments will do and it will be different as per the different state or union territories. So the third round or mop-up round, you can see here. So 22nd January to 24th January, and you can see that result will come by 28th January, and 29th January to 8th February you have to go and report. And after the first round, second round, third round, there is a mistake in the numbering. It's like 1, 2, 4, 5 is given. So 1, 2. Third round, then fourth, here you have to write 4. So fourth round will be transferring of the non-reporting and non-joining vacancy. So that is not regarding to the first or second or third round of the All India counselling. So this is about the everything about the All India Counseling now. So don't worry, if any doubts are there, a very clear counseling chart will come. So I will show you that. This is the website AACCC.gov.in, and I have already selected the PG counseling. So that's why this page is opened. AACCC PG page is open. So there you can see only a scroll is going on. All the FAQs and the schedule and the counseling scheme will be updated. Is written. It's not updated. So even if we are seeing new here, everywhere in new, it is of the last years 2019-2020 admission, not of 2020-21 admission. So regarding the 2020-21 admission, it will be updated. So this new is not regarding the 2020-21 admission. So if you see the counseling scheme here, if I click here, PDF flowchart will open, and everything will be clearly written. I have already done a video regarding the stipend and each national and state government colleges. So there already I have shown this flowchart, but this will be a very clear first round. If you get the seat, what will happen? If you don't want to join, what will happen? Free exit. Everything is written in this flowchart very clearly. So don't worry, everything will be given by this website. So a little more clear in a clear way. This counseling schedule also, what we just saw, they will again update here with a clarity. So don't worry. I will also try to do a video when they update this. And till then, keep checking homeobook.com and the official websites, the AACCC.gov.in and even CCH website. You can check for all updates, and subscribe Friend of Health and enable the bell icon for all notifications, and share this video with the friends with your friends who are preparing or who are trying to attend the counseling of 2020-21 PG admissions. All the best wishes for all our viewers.